Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today I thought I would spend a little bit of time with you working in my planner. I have definitely neglected it for the last couple of months, and I think you will have noticed that because the amount of content for my planner that I've been uploading has gone down. I'm not really sure why. I think life just got a bit much and I was no longer making time for planning. But I'm back on that planning train now, and I'm very much looking forward to getting to use some of my lovely new washi tape that I received for my birthday and try and create myself a spread for this week. So I'm going to do this in a time lapse because I don't really have an idea, so I'm not sure how long it's going to take, but whilst you're watching that time lapse, I've got some questions for you that you might like to ponder on, and if you feel so moved to make your own video answering those questions, I would love to see it. These questions were inspired by the Planner Pals podcast. So they are based on a never have I ever kind of idea. So yeah, I'm going to chat through those while I do this planner page. So first question, never have I ever bought secondhand stationery. Well, I have bought secondhand stationery many times. Most of the sticker books that I've got have come from D-Stash. It's just cheaper that way. Next question, have I ever sorted my stationery by colour? Pens, yes. Notebooks, no. I don't have enough similar sizes to sort them by colour. Have I ever stopped using a notebook because of the size? I've got some that I haven't used because they're just a bit too big and I find that a bit intimidating. Have I ever held a grudge because someone borrowed a pen and didn't return it? I don't know if I'd say I held a grudge, but certainly I lost several very good pens whilst at school. So, being a lefty, I often had special pens that were just for left-handers, and yeah, they would get lent out and not returned, much to my parents' horror. Have I ever tried to cut a page out of a notebook, but cut the stitching or binding by mistake? Oh, yes, many times. Yeah, I am quite happy to cut a page out of a notebook if it's not bringing me joy. But yeah, unfortunately, I have on a number of occasions accidentally cut the binding. Yeah, then you have to start making temporary fixes. Have I ever set up a whole month in a journal and then not used it? Yes, kind of. I've set up my monthly and then not added anything to it. I've never filled out a whole month of my weekly and then not used it. There have been months where I've just not filled it in, but not decorated it either. Have I ever bought stationery while on a no-buy? I've never been on a no-buy because I probably should be, but I haven't. Have I ever set up a tracker and not used it? Oh, regularly. Yeah, weight loss goals, drinking water goals, remembering to take meds. Yeah, I've had trackers for all sorts of things that I've not used. Tracking in my planner is just not something that I'm good at. Have I ever had too many journals or notebooks? Probably, yes. I have a whole Kallax cube filled with journals to be frankenplanned with. So yeah. Have I ever bought a whole set of pens just so I had the complete set? No, I'm not really like a pen aficionado in that way. Right, have I ever had more than 20 notebooks? I don't think I've got more than 20. It's probably getting close though. Have I ever glued pages together because I didn't like them? Yes, definitely. Hoarded stationery. Oh, stationery that you don't use because it's too pretty. 100%, yes. Have I ever bought more just to get free shipping? That's not even just about journaling, just in general, yes. Definitely. Diamond painting, shopping, just in general, yes. Have I ever printed my own stickers? Yes. Not very successfully. I don't have a Cricut, so they're just printed on my printer and then cut out by hand, and fussy cutting is not something I enjoy. Have I ever tried to convert everyone I know to my chosen journaling system? I guess you guys better tell me if that's the case. Probably. I know I have been a big fan of the disc-bound system, not necessarily Happy Planner, but any disc-bound system because of its versatility. Have I ever changed journals because the vibes were off? No. But I've definitely had journals where the vibes were off and I probably should have just said I'm not using it and used something else. Have I ever bought expensive stationery with no idea what I would use it for? Yes, I have. Mostly when it comes to things that could be books of shadows or are designed to be books of shadows, things that are witchy, things with lovely gold-edged pages, fancy corners. I'm terrible. And then I love them too much to write in them. Have I ever bought duplicate stationery because I forgot what I had? Only when it comes to sticker books. I have 2 sticker books that are the same because I forgot I already had it. So those are the questions. If you've got any other questions you would like to ask me about planning, feel free. This has been fun. If you want to make your own video with these questions, please do, or leave me your answers down in the comments. That would be equally fun. So, yeah, once more, thank you to Planner Pals Podcast for the inspiration for doing this. And thank you all for joining me today. I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay crafty.